Hi, my name is Poppy, and this is my mom, Kim.
Hi!
And welcome back to
Bake-a-rama, California! What are we doing today, Poppy?
cheese puffs.
Oh, I like cheese puffs. Do you know what cheese puffs are also called?
What?
Gougère.
I know.
They're French.
Yeah, they're amazing.
They're super good. So what's the first thing we need to do, Poppy?
We have to set the oven to 425 Fahrenheit.
Perfect.
Okay, done.
All right. And then what ingredients do we need? We don't need very much today.
Yeah, we just need butter, chopped, pepper,
If you want, you can leave the pepper out.
salt, flour, water, 2 eggs, and cheese.
You can use kind of any cheese you can grate, like cheddar cheese or gruyere or Parmesan cheese.
And lots more.
Yeah,
Okay, let's
Okay.
start baking.
great. So you need to get a saucepan, a good medium-sized saucepan, and then you're going to add half a cup of water. And you're going to add all the butter. You just plop it all in all at once. And then you're going to add half of a teaspoon of salt. We're using kosher salt, but you can just use regular salt if you want. Okay, and then we're going to take that over to the stovetop with our favorite wooden spoon.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so you're going to turn it on to medium-high heat. There you go. And we're going to bring that to a very rapid boil. So while that's starting to boil, or before it starts to boil, we need half of a cup of all-purpose flour. And we want to get that and take it over to the stovetop
Why?
because we have to add it all at once to the boiling.
Is that enough?
Here, let's do this.
Oh my god.
Okay. So just set that. Now that it's boiling really fast, turn off the heat. Turn it off all the way. There you go. And then dump that all in at once. Oh, okay, be careful doing that though.
Yeah.
And then get your wooden spoon and stir it. But be careful you don't slosh it all over because it's really hot.
Whoa.
Just keep stirring. It's going to look lumpy and gross.
No, not very.
Okay, you got to stir it with all your muscles.
I am. I'm trying.
Oh, you're doing great. Okay, so when it comes together in a blob, kind of like that, then we're going to turn the heat back on.
How much?
Just to like medium low, like medium. Yeah, we want it to be a little hot. Okay, and then you're just going to be really careful and you're going to kind of stir it. Maybe hold on to the handle and then stir it with all your might.
Okay. I'm trying.
You're doing a great job. Kind of try to keep it over the heat. Do you want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. That's pretty good. Okay, so let's take it off the heat. And we're going to carry it over here. And put it on a hot pad.
Oh.
You might want an adult to help you with that.
It already smells cheesy, and it doesn't even have cheese.
Nope, it doesn't even have cheese. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to get either a handheld mixer or you can put it in a mixing bowl for a stand mixer. But we want to beat it. Here you go. Just to cool it down a little tiny bit. Just for maybe a couple minutes. All right. Okay, that's probably good. So next, we're going to take 2 eggs and we're going to crack them into a little bowl and whisk them up. Whoop. Wow, that egg yolk almost jumped on you.
It was like a newt or a frog.
All right, get all that egg out of there.
I'm trying.
All right, thank you. Oh,
Okay.
so just whisk those up a little bit.
Beat the egg. Okay, that good?
Yep, that's fine. You just want to get it a little bit whisked. Okay, so then, do you want to add the egg or do you want to beat?
Add the egg.
Okay, so you're going to turn on the beater and then add half the egg. So you want to beat it until it turns dull. So you see how shiny it is, Poppy? You want it to be pretty dull.
Okay.
So it really mixes in there.
Okay.
It might take a few minutes. Are you watching it? You see how it's changing? That means it's absorbing the egg. All right, now you can add the rest of the egg. Okay, we're going to keep that in.
It looks kind of like scrambled egg.
It does, actually. All right. That looks pretty good. Okay, so now we're going to add the cheese. You need about 3/4 of a cup of shredded cheese.
Hey, Mom, do you want to hear a cheese joke?
I always want to hear a cheese joke.
What do you call sad cheese?
I don't know what.
Blue cheese.
That's funny. Do you know any other cheesy jokes?
Yes, I do.
Uh-huh.
What does a ghost put on her bagel?
I don't know. What does a ghost put on her bagel?
Scream cheese.
Ah! That's funny. And Gouda.
That is so funny.
Cheesy mom. What can I say? All right, so then you're just going to mix that cheese in. There you go. This kind of dough, let's get it off the beater. So this kind of dough is called a shoe paste. And I don't mean tennis shoes.
Or soccer shoes.
Yeah, because that would be gross. Nobody
Ugh.
wants to eat stinky soccer shoes.
Mm.
Ugh. Nope, it's called shoe paste. CHOUX. And guess what?
What?
When it's not savory, because we put cheese in it, so it's savory, it's made into eclairs, cream puffs, or you can stick a blob of ice cream in the middle and make profiteroles with chocolate sauce. Yep, gougères or cheese puffs are related to all those things. Uh-oh, I've lost her. So, now that we've got all the cheese in there, we need to get a couple of baking sheets and
Put parchment inside.
yep. If you only have one, that's fine. You can just do one at a time.
Yeah.
And then you need a piping bag.
Can I do
With-
the piping?
Yeah, with a plain tip that's about a 1/2 inch opening. If you don't have that, do you know what you can do?
What?
You can use a Ziploc bag or a plastic bag, and you can put all the shoe paste in there and then snip the end and use that.
I know. That's really. I sometimes do that when I want to do something and I forget where these are.
Oh, that's smart.
And also when I'm outside.
Oh, when you're outside, do you do that?
Yeah.
Cool.
Because I don't want to take this.
Do you want to hold the bag while I load it up?
Yeah.
Okay. So fold down this edge of the bag a little bit.
And then open it
Yep.
like this. Like so.
Here, I'll try and do it. Can you hold it up at the top? There you go. And another blob of dough.
Okay.
And get all the little bits. There we go. Okay. So the first thing we want to do is just kind of scrape that dough down to the bottom.
Yep. So
Okay.
we can pipe it.
Okay, so get your baking sheet, and we've got our shoe paste in our piping bag, and so you want to just pipe little blobs directly onto the baking sheet. So go down so you actually touch it with the dough, and then slowly come up a little as you press it out, and a little bit more than that. That's good. Okay, then just pull it up. Whoa. Don't worry if it looks crazy like that, because what we'll do is we'll get a little bowl of water and we'll press it down with our fingers. One thing you can also do, because this parchment paper is getting crazy, is you can just take a little tiny bit of dough and stick it on the corners, and it'll hold your parchment paper down. That's pretty cool, huh?
Let's hope not forever.
Yeah, that would be bad. Whoopsie. There's a lot of cheese in that dough. Okay, you ready to keep piping?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Here, I'll hold the parchment paper for you. Perfect. That's great. Okay, you want to keep them pretty separated from each other, because they're going to puff up into little balls, right?
Like this big.
Do you want me to do a couple?
Mm-hmm.
Got some sticky dough.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to do some more, Poppy?
Okay.
I was getting a little close there, so make sure you stay a little further. Yeah, there. That's good. All right. Great.
Whoa.
Try to squeeze from the back of the pastry bag and not the front. I know, you're doing great. Here, what we can do is if it starts looking like that, then we can get our spatula and scrape it back down to the bottom.
You might only need one baking sheet for this.
I think you're right. Here you go.
Okay, thank you.
Next thing you want to do is get a little bowl of water, and then you just put your clean fingers in there, and you just kind of press those little tips down, because otherwise they'll go really crazy when they bake.
Okay.
You gonna help me?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
They feel funny.
I know. Just be gentle, like gently pat them down. Like a gentle pat for a dog on the head.
Or a cat. Or a cat.
Or a guinea pig.
Or a guinea pig.
Okay, so now we're gonna put it in the oven.
Okay.
There you go.
Bake
Bake
well.
well, little cheese puffs.
And I can't wait to eat you.
Me too. All right,
Okay.
so you're gonna bake those for 10 minutes at 425 without opening the oven,
Yeah.
because you want full poof effect. And then we're gonna turn the oven down to 375 for 10 minutes, and then you can open the oven and check on them. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
See you soon.
Bye.
Okay, I think they're done.
You need oven mitts just to protect your hands.
Yep.
Too.
You wanna pull them out?
Yep.
All right. Whoa!
Cheesy cheese puffs.
So you know they're done when they look nice and puffy and golden brown, just like this, and you just pull them out and you set them on a wire rack. And if you like, you can take a toothpick and stick it in the bottom of one and get the steam out. If you like them really dry on the inside, but I kind of don't. I like them just like this.
Yeah, me too.
So you want to let them cool just a little bit. It's very hard to wait and to resist. Okay, when they're cool enough to touch, you can try one.
Yummy.
Oh, still steamy. Oh my God, they're so good. Yummy!
Yummy!
Yay! If you like this video, don't forget
to like and subscribe. Goodbye!
Bye! Bake-a-rama, California! Like a gentle pat for a dog on the head.
Or a cat. Or a cat.
Or a guinea pig.
Or a guinea pig. Or any pet that you have.
Yeah, I mean, what if you have a turtle and your turtle likes pats on the head?
What if you have a fish?
Well, I don't know if fish would like a pat on the head.
Okay.
It might freak them out.
But still.
What about a bunny rabbit?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that would be